thank... Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you a box of Goth. This theme is Curiosities and I absolutely love Curiosities and the macabre, moths, just dead things in general. So I am really looking forward to this box. If you are interested in buying a box of Goth, make sure that you take advantage of my discount code, which is Batbones. It's quite heavy, probably one of the heaviest I've felt. Let's get it open. Box of Goth have also announced that I think they're doing bigger boxes. Right, so some feathers. Get this everywhere. I'm already seeing things. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so that is what the box looks like. The first item is a key. Cute. I'm gonna go straight for this. What is this? Oh my god. Okay. So it's a little head with some creepy pipe cleaners stuck to it. I don't know what it is, but I like it. Not weird at all. Cute. It's like the little spider mechanical thing out of Toy Story. And who doesn't love that? It's pretty cute. It's like, oh, Woody, where are you? I see a skull. Okay. It's just a little skull ornament. That's cute. Thank you for your support. It gives us energy. Ooh, I think this is going to be a crystal or a tumblestone. Oh, wow. So that's like a quartz. Oh my god. So this must be their collab with Jawline Jewelry. And it is a pin badge. How cool is that? Cute. Is it gonna... It's like those dolly eyes, like when you're a child, you'd be like... Or was that just me? So that is the pin badge. That's awesome. Really intrigued what this is. I think it might be a shell. And I've only got like 2 different types of shells, but they're currently at my workplace displaying jewellery. It is a shell. Okay. Oh, that's cute. So I've never actually had a shell like this before. I still try and look for them in the seaside, but you don't find that many anymore. My pronunciation. Voluta vespertilio lin seashell, aka the Batwing Shell, because of their spooky bat-like markings. That might just be me that can't see the bat markings, but you tell me if you can see them. I see mountains. Maybe I'm just not imaginative. Is a little spider. Is that a real skull? What is that? That's definitely, I think that's definitely a real skull. My ring light is hating me today. Classified as chinoids. Sand dollars are flat round marine animals related to sea urchins. Found in sandy sediments in oceans throughout the world. The spines are removed on the shell we see. Oh, it definitely smells fishy. That's cute. That's cute. I'll put that on my little inspiration wall. Baby. It's a baby. I think it's a necklace. A broken one. I can fix that though. It's just the chain. Hello, baby. That is so random. I'm not sure I would wear this, but I could hang it on my Curiosity shelf. It's wrapped in tissue. It's another surprise. Oh, it's a tooth. Ah. So this, I've got another one of these, but obviously it's a different style, but that is cool. But I'm not sure. So this is a, I'm not even going to try. I don't know if you can read that. It's a tooth, a fossilised tooth. Face by Violet Vixen. I think it's a poem. I lay on my back in my bed looking at my ceiling. It's disturbing how it resembles my face, more than my own reflection does. Cracks showing through, noting the wears and tears this body has felt. So much pain, too much sorrow. My face is falling off, piece by piece, and I think to myself, maybe I need a fresh coat of paint. I don't know whether to laugh or not, because I love the end bit. Just give yourself a fresh coat of paint. Oh, no, it's a nice poem. The Coffin Box of Curiosities. Accessory Cemetery Bone Graveyard. Antique Key, Baby Doll Legs. Shark Tooth. Shrunken Skull. Batwing Shell. The Two-Faced Skull. Polaroid illustration by Breck Ninja. Sorry if I got that wrong. Jawline Jewelry Eye of My Enemy. Brooch Pin. Feeling Doll Choker Pendant Necklace. Mini Wooden Cross. Sand Dollar Shell. Face Poem. Oh, it doesn't say whether that's a real skull or not. Cool. No, I love that box. Again, it's been my lucky month, I think. March, because these have been great so far. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you subscribe if you want to see more of me. And if you are a regular subscriber, thank you so much. Take care of yourselves and don't forget to stay spooky.